Hey everyone, it's Tommy from TechNexus, and thanks for joining me on today's video, the last one for the week. So I've just finished up training with some customers, and we touched on Animator during the training session, so I thought it might be a good time to maybe show a little bit of what we did in that training session here with everyone on YouTube. So I've got my plant model here, and I want to animate sort of the importing of this sort of bottom slab area, or the bund, whatever you want to call it, and I'm going to animate these two tanks here. So when we open up the Animator, and then you get the Animator palette or script or macro dialog box, whatever you want to call it, down here, we need to add what's called a scene. Okay, I can folder them, but I'm just going to add one scene. Now, each of these three individual elements are going to be added as an animation set. So this set I'll call the slab, and then this one I will call its TK101, and TK100. Okay, so for the slab, and this happens for all the animation, we need to capture the keyframe, go forward about 5 seconds, but then I want to move it. But we do have rotate and scale. So I probably could scale it from 0 to nothing, but I want to move it in from underground to pretend that it's being poured. So I might say over the course of that 5 seconds, I want to come down, so start from the 10 meter and capture the keyframe. Now, for the viewers out there, you might notice that we're doing it the wrong way. We're going back to front. Okay, so I guess in theory, you probably could record it this way, export it, and then reverse the movie, but we can reverse it from within here. So I can pick up that captured keyframe and then drag it out, and then move the final spot back to the 0, or close enough to it. And then with this one, I can set it up to be 5 seconds again. Okay, so now when I do play it, it starts at the bottom and moves its way up. So we can do the same with TK101, is capture the keyframe, drag the keyframe marker over somewhere around 10 seconds, and then I'm going to move it up 25 meters, and then again capture that keyframe, swap them around, so move the final position, and then let's go back to 10 seconds, and if we play that, then you'll see that the slab comes up in 5 seconds, and then our tank slowly comes down over the course of that 10 seconds. So do the same for TK100, capture the frame, drag our keyframe marker, let's go 12 seconds, move it, let's make this one 30 meters, save the keyframe, swap them around, move this one back to around 12. Now if I zoom out, you'll see the two tanks in their starting position and the slab down here. So as I play the video, so over the course of 5 seconds, the slab comes in, and then the tank slides in over 10 seconds, and the tank slides in over 12 seconds. And there's our animation. So hopefully it's been informative for you. If you're a bit scared about animation, there's nothing really to it. It's quite easy, quite simple. Once you get into it, into the hang of it, you'll be making movies all day, every day. So thanks for watching this week, and I will catch you next week for some more Autodesk. I might install 2020. If you've been following online, you'll notice that Autodesk released AutoCAD 2020 and some of the other tool sets as well. So we might have a look at that some point next week. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you like this. Thumbs up or thumbs down if you liked or didn't like, and click on the bell icon to get all of the daily notifications of all of my videos. And I will see you next week for some more toys and tips and tricks for all the Autodesk products. See you later.